you are ready.
I'm ready.
Go ahead and go. David's first bike ride. Woohoo! Look at him go. Look at that boy go. Yes. Keep. Yep. Okay, do some more, David.
Okay.
Nice. Nice. Look at that coast. Woo! No problem. All right.
Going up the hill.
Okay, you go up the hill now. Look at him go. David learned how to ride a two-wheeler today, all in one day. Woohoo!
Can we go on the bike now and I can practice the bike track now and I can practice going up the okay? Let's do that.
The bike trail? Do you mean you're ready to go on the bike trail now?
Yeah.
How far do you think you go? How many miles?
I don't know.
This is your very first day of learning how to bike. Are you sure you can go that far?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
You are an amazing kid.
Watch.
Okay, let's see.
Do that.
Woo! Look at him go. Okay, wave. Say, I can ride a bike now.
Okay now.
Say, I can ride a bike now.
Wow. I can ride a bike now.
You are amazing. What a talent.
Watch this, Dad.
Okay.
Okay. Here goes.
All right.
Watch this. I'm going into this.
Nice stop.
I'm going into here and now. No, it's okay. I'll break down. I'll do a breakdown.
He knows how to stop too.